I have an addiction. This is tomorrow's beat. I hope you guys are listening to. I'm putting a lot of work into my music. This one is called I'm Grateful Tomorrow, 7 a.m. It's all about listening to the words. Tomorrow, 7 a.m. I really like this song because it just reminds you to remind yourself and tell yourself to be grateful all the time. So you guys, 7 a.m. tomorrow. I am grateful.
This world needs light, so I carry mine, not to be seen, but to help others see, to be a giver, not a taker.
To be a giver, not a taker. If the words aren't amazing, I think I've been kind of excited about putting this playlist together because listening to words that are going to empower your spirit and remind you how amazing you are, and remind you that if things don't work out, remind you that your only job on earth is to be high off life without drugs. It's been really helpful for me. I've been doing it for a while, but I was like, you know what, I'm going to share it, see if anyone's into it. So that is tomorrow, 7 a.m. But until then, we're gonna make ice cream. So there's two things I wanted to do today is make some ice cream out of cottage cheese because I have an addiction, but I do have a sugar problem. Most of us do. I think it's the hidden drug that's legal that we're all buying, which is trying to practice what I preach and trying to do the no sugar on the Pepito paletas. So we're making ice cream. I am also excited about my Dubai chocolate paletas that I will be making. So I am going to probably do it Monday, Tuesday night. I'm working on it, but I already have the ingredients. I'm juggling and put it together. I'm thinking of changing it to abuelita chocolate instead of normal chocolate, Dubai chocolate, because I had some and it's good, but I think that it would be better with abuelita chocolate. But until then, let's make some ice cream. Dates, cottage cheese, super simple, and the peanut butter, black blueberries, can of blueberries or blackberries, peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter. So I'm trying to cut down on my sugar cravings, and so what I've been doing is I've been getting the dates, putting peanut butter or almond butter on the date and closing it and eating it. Really good. Not only is it good, but it kills the craving for sugar. Or I eat my own product. I eat my mango or my watermelon paleta. Low fat cottage cheese for protein. So we got peanut butter, blackberries. We're gonna put about 5 dates, actually 3. They're really sweet. Cottage cheese or cottage cheese. Granola. I think that's why I got really into ice cream and making ice cream and paletas, because you can make any flavor you want. You can make anything you want. You put anything you want in it. If the blender doesn't go because the cottage cheese is really thick, then you gotta put some liquid. I have the kerns, but I don't know if I should put them in there. Let's do it. Orange juice to make it go. It's really stuck. The blender is basically stuck. So you blend it for about until it's just really as thin as possible. I'd say about 3 minutes. You have to just leave it on the blender. And you put it in the freezer, and that's it. In about 3 hours, you can have ice cream. Cottage cheese. Look at how creamy this is. That's it. Put it in the freezer, and you have homemade ice cream with cottage cheese. And if it's not sweet enough for you, put some more dates or put honey. Trying to avoid to do sugar, and that's it. If you have a paleta mold, put it in a paleta mold. And we have a Pepito's paletas bingo. That's right. Working on it. That's it. That's how you make ice cream, or you guys can put it in a mold and make paletas if you want. You're dropping another beat called I'm Grateful. I'm Grateful on Monday morning, 7 a.m. I really love what it says. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, guys, log in. YouTube, it's on my bio link. It's a full playlist of all this positive music that we should be listening to every day to empower us, to remind us that we are power, that we are energy, that we should be high off life. So, okay, it's been about 5 hours for the ice cream. Yummy in the tummy.
I am grateful.
Look at how it's been 5 hours. Look at how creamy this is.
For this body, for this voice, for this life.
I think I put too much peanut. It's really good. It has blackberries. So I think that blackberries and peanut butter just... But it's actually good, but it's too much peanut butter. Wah, wah, wah. It's all about testing. Next time I just won't put peanut butter.